Stop sending AI generated resumes. You aren't being ignored, you're being shadow banned by recruited software before a human even sees your name. If you're using ChatGPT to write job application emails and you're not getting interview calls, this video is for you. The problem isn't that you're using AI, the problem is that you're using it without human oversight. You're sending an AI slop into a high-stakes professional environment. Hi, I'm Swati, a senior quality engineer. I test AI the same way I test software under real human conditions. And I keep seeing the same pattern. People use AI to write job emails, send them out, and then nothing. No callbacks, no replies, just silence. And most people assume the problem is the job market. But that's not how I approach it. When I look at AI output, it does not stop at whether it sounds nice. I care about how it behaves in the real world. I looked at it in the same way I look at a software, by testing it under real conditions. So today, I'm not here to bash AI. I'm going to do something much more useful. I'll take a very normal job application situation, ask AI to write the email, and then audit it in a way hiring manager actually experience it. Because here's the thing, AI does not get you rejected. Unexamined AI output does. And most people never examine it. Let's take a very common situation. You're applying for a role you're genuinely qualified for. You want a professional email, confident, clear, not desperate. So you do what millions of people are doing. You ask ChatGPT to write it. One important note before we look at the result. I'm intentionally using a simple average prompt, not a fancy prompt engineering trick. Because in real world, most people do not use perfect prompt. Write a professional job application email for a mid-level professional applying for a role they are qualified for. The email should sound confident, polite, and clear. Keep it concise and suitable for a real job application. Here is the exact prompt I gave ChatGPT. Let's look at what it generated. Now read this the way a hiring manager does, fast, distracted, and slightly tired. This is the email AI generated. I'm not editing it, I'm not improving it. This is exactly how a hiring manager would see it. Now this is where most people stop. They ask, does this sound professional? That's not the question I ask. I ask, where does this break when a real human reads it? Let's audit it. Nothing here is obviously wrong. That's why the risk is invisible. There's nothing wrong with this email, and that's exactly why the risk is easy to miss. There are 4 hidden risks in this email. Let's start with the first one. Risk number 1. The email is clean, polite, professional. And that's the problem. Hiring managers don't read emails like essays. They scan for signals, and this email sends a very common one. I've seen this before. Risk number 2. The confidence is real, but it's vague. Strong skill, relevant experience, proactive approach, all positive. Also, interchangeable. Risk number 3. There is no human context. This email isn't cold, but it isn't human either. There is no reason this role matters to this person, and safe emails are forgettable. The first 3 risks make you forgettable. The fourth one makes you disappear. Risk number 4, and this one matters most. None of these risks reject you. They delay you, they bury you. This email doesn't get a no, it gets lost. This is where human judgments comes in. AI did its job. It gave you a safe starting point, but humans don't hire based on safe. They hire based on signal. If you're using AI for work, don't stop. Just stop sending the first draft. Pause, audit, decide what signals you're actually sending. On this channel, I don't fix AI outputs for you. I help you see where it breaks when human reads them. Because that's where careers are won or lost. I'll see you in the next audit.